The sequencer tool allows the user to connect a series of individual postures, dynamic tasks, motion capture files, or other avatar manipulations to create a cohesive, complex simulation that can be played like a movie. The sequencer window is found under the Windows tab. The sequencer offers two different operating modes, Edit View and Timeline View. To switch between the views, the two arrow icon will switch between the two modes. The Edit View allows the user to build the animation and examine the task properties of each individual task in a given animation. To display the task properties, the last icon with the hand pointing at a piece of paper is the Show or Hide the Task Properties option. Some of the options in the task properties are the file's name and location, task speed, and the position from which the task originates. Once the tasks have all been added to the sequencer window, the Render All button, represented by three play icons, creates an animation from the items loaded. The tasks are combined in a single stream of activity that can be played like a video. The timeline view displays the entire animation and each task's duration. The playback toolbar then allows the user to view the animation. An example to walk through using the sequencer is to have the avatar touch a point in space and then come back to his initial position. To start, we will switch back to the library window and drag an avatar into the scene. Once we have the avatar's initial posture, the posture then needs to be saved. This is done by right-clicking on the avatar and then selecting Save Posture. The file will have to be named and then saved. The new saved posture will then appear in the Posture tab of the library window. To load the posture into the sequencer, a task needs to be added first. The Tasks tab has all the tasks available for use. For this example, the Load Posture task will be used. To use, drag and drop the Load Posture tasks onto the avatar. You can see that the Load Posture task was added to the Expert pane, and it was also added to the sequencer. The file name of the posture can then be loaded into the task from the Properties window. The next posture can then be created on the avatar. A hotkey is available for loading a task and saving the posture at the same time. Control-T saves the posture, creates a load posture task, and loads the saved posture into the task. The last posture for this example is then created using Control-T. The posture is saved and loaded into the task. Once all the tasks have been added to the sequencer, the files have been loaded, and their unique properties have been chosen, the task can then be rendered. After rendering, switch views to the timeline view to play the animation. This example was just a simple example of using the sequencer. Different tasks can be used together, and other more complex animations can be created. Next, we will be going over Advanced IK mode.